My name is Zaire. Remember me? That we went to the vacation or make videos with my mom? Well, MightySew is back. And subscribe the like button. Subscribe to hit the like button. And if I do this, you have to follow. I'm going to be making a shirt.
Hold it like this.
This is a short or
Right there. Grab your paper. Turn. And pull it down. Boom. Press down. Boom. And then let go for 10 seconds. And then get ready when it goes off. Press it, pull it up. And then turn it. This will be a little hot. Now you have your brace for the not away. Not away. This is right here. Now your shirt. Pull your shirt on it. So, then you line up the arrow with your grease. Boom. And then you pull this. Make sure it's even. And then pull this up too. Even. Pull it all the way. Boom. So then, what you do, you put a piece of tape right here. Boom. And put it on the other side.
like, comment, and buy a shirt.